Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this really cool style with a diagonal parting line, one Dutch braid and one lace Dutch braid. So to begin with, I've sprayed her hair with water and I'm doing one diagonal parting, and then from that parting line I'm taking a small triangular section towards the front of her head and I'm going to just section that up out of the way. And I'm going to take the parting line down towards her ear on the right side, clip that out of the way, and then I'm going to put all of the hair into a low ponytail at the back of her head and tie it up with a hair tie. Starting with a small piece of the small triangle at the front of the head, I'm going to do a lace braid. So with a lace braid, I'm just going to add the hair from one side of the Dutch braid, and I'm going to combine those pieces of hair together, take it under the middle, and then take that other piece under the middle without adding. So I'm only adding on one side of the hair. So I'm adding on the side of the Dutch braid that is going to be next to the other Dutch braid in a moment. So the side that's closest to the ponytail, I'm not adding any hair to to that section. I've started at the centre of her head and I'm braiding towards the front of her face. And then as I come around close to her face, I'm slightly bending the way I'm braiding, so I'm curving the braid. I'm just picking up some of the hair with a comb at the front just to make it neat and catch those little baby hairs that she has at the front of her face. And then once I've got all of the hair that I'd sectioned out, I'm just going to braid it all the way to the end and tie it off with a clip. Now I'm going to do a normal Dutch braid, so I'm going to start with 3 pieces of hair, and this time I'm going to add on both sides of the braid. So to do a Dutch braid, I'm just going to go under each time. So 3 pieces, then combine on the right side, go under, add some new hair to the left side, take them both under, add some more hair to the right side, and take both of them under, and so on. And I just do that all the way along on both sides of the Dutch braid, using a comb as I go to pick up any baby hairs. I just find that doing it this way, you don't get as many lumps and bumps, keeps it a lot neater, and I just find the finish is a lot neater. Because I like to braid the hair a bit damp, it can be sometimes a bit tricky to pick up the hair neatly, but if you use the comb, it just helps it to stay neat and sits flatter on the head. Also, you notice that when I'm holding her hair, I've got my knuckles facing upwards, and I'm using my hand to hold each section of hair. Using my fingers, to hold the sections of hair, so that when I collect some new hair, I've got the other hand free. This helps to keep the braid a little bit more secure to the head. It's not so loose, and I just find that's the best way for me to make the braid a bit neater and a bit tighter. I'm not pulling her hair tightly. You can see by her face she's not in any pain, so don't worry that I'm pulling her hair really tightly. It's just a better way for me to hold her hair and get the braid to run a lot closer to her head and stops it from being loose. So I'm just scooping up the last little bits of hair that were in that section, and I'm going to braid all the way to the end, and then just section that off with a clip again as well. Okay, so when you've got both the braids, I'm going to get one other hair tie and tie them all together, combining it with that original ponytail. And then I'm going to add another bobble that has a bow attached to it. I think this style looks really, really lovely. I like the way one braid goes from the front to the back, one goes from the back to the front. I think using diagonal parting lines always look a little bit cool. So anyway, I hope you like it and you give it a try. This style lasted for 2 whole days, which is brilliant. Saves me having to get it done in the next day. So have a go, let me know what you think, leave me a comment, and we'll see you soon. Please subscribe to our channel and check out any other videos that you've maybe not seen, and we'll see you very soon. Take care then, bye.